Today I want to talk about how to meditate when you can't visualize. How to meditate when you can't visualize. What is up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. I am Mr. Make Life Happen, and I hope you guys are having a super blessed day because life is so good. If this is your first time here, this channel is dedicated to personal development, the art of imagination, and spirituality based off the teachings from Neville Goddard. So today, I want to talk about how to meditate when you can't visualize. So if you want to meditate, but you just can't stay focused, this is the perfect video that's going to help you visualize. Imagination creates all reality. So we are spiritual beings and we're having this human experience. So imagination is spiritual sensation. So you must feel spiritually what you desire before you can actually see it right here in your human experience or in your screen of space. So Neville Goddard exercised his imagination to help him focus during his meditation. So he did a couple techniques. One technique that he did was he would sit down in a chair, maybe in the kitchen or his living room, and he would imagine himself being in his office. So he would imagine himself being in his work office, and he would actually feel the cubic reality. He would see all the objects that were there. He would also sit down in a chair and imagine himself being in New York. So while he was mentally in New York, he would think of his house from New York. So what he did was change in motion. So he was actually able to feel the cubic reality of where he was mentally. Another thing that Neville did was he would sit comfortable in a chair, close his eyes, and he would imagine himself being in other rooms of the house. So if I'm in my living room right now, I would close my eyes and I would imagine myself being in my bedroom or in the kitchen, and I would give that the cubic reality. So these are a few exercises that Neville Goddard actually done himself to help him control his imagination and to keep a well-sustained attention. So whenever you master your attention and you control your imagination, you become a master manifester. You can start this process by simply sitting in your living room, find your favorite chair or your favorite recliner, sit down and take a deep breath. So now when you feel good and you're comfortable, close your eyes and imagine yourself being in your bedroom. So now that you're in your bedroom, I want you to place all your awareness on all the objects in there. So your door, your doorknob. Is there anything hanging from the door? So you got your bed, you got your pillows, your comforter, maybe your sheets hanging off the bed. You haven't made the bed up yet. Maybe you got some dressers in there. Maybe you got some picture frames on the dressers. Your ceiling fan, is it moving? Are your windows open? Is the sun shining through, getting in your eye? So I want you to vividly imagine all these things until you feel the naturalness of being in your bedroom. Now, once you feel this naturalness of being in your bedroom, I want you to go into the next bedroom or the next room of your house. It could be the bathroom. So let's just say it is the bathroom. So now you're going to imagine yourself in the bathroom. You just left your bedroom. Now you're imagining yourself in the bathroom. You can see the shower curtain. You can see the tub, the toilet, your toothbrush. So you're going to imagine all these things in there. And you're going to continue to do this until you go into every single room of your house and you're going to imagine every object in there until you're back into the bedroom. Once you're back in your bedroom, I want you to place your awareness on everything in there one last time. Once you actually touch every object in there, take a deep breath and then open up your eyes. So now when you open up your eyes, you're going to be confused that you're actually not even in your bedroom. You're actually in the living room, sitting back on that recliner. So I want you to try this and do this over and over and over until you can actually visualize what you desire when you are meditating. The other technique, what we're going to do is you're going to find a window in your house or your apartment and you're going to sit down right in front of the window. So you're going to place your chair right there. You're going to sit down in it and you're going to close your eyes and you're going to take a deep breath. So after you take a deep breath, I want you to imagine that you're facing the wall behind you. So if there's a window right here in front of me, I'm going to imagine myself facing that wall behind me. Now, once I have my attention on this wall, I'm going to vividly imagine a sign. So this sign has my name written in cursive in bright red letters. So now I'm able to see my name in bright red letters written in cursive. So now once I can see my name, there's a nice sign up there. I want you to look down and I want you to see a small square table. It's a brown table. And on this table, there's a blue candle, and this candle smells good. It smells like blueberries. So now what I want you to do is, I want you to take your imaginary breath and I want you to blow the candle out. Now the candle does not want to go out, so it takes you 3 times. Once the candle goes out, I want you to imagine yourself facing that same window when you first started. Now once you're facing the window and you feel the vividness of it and you feel like you're actually back facing the window, place your attention back on that wall behind you and imagine yourself facing the wall again. So now that you're facing the wall again, you're gonna see the sign with your name on it, written in red in cursive writing. So underneath it, you're gonna imagine a brown table. It's square, it's small, and it has a blue candle on it. This candle smells like blueberries and they smell really good. Again, I want you to blow the candle out, but it doesn't wanna go out, so it takes you 3 times. So now I want you to, once the candle goes out, place all your awareness again on the window in front of you. And I want you to go back and forth. So I want you to imagine that the wall with your name on it and the table, and then imagine the window. And you're gonna go back and forth, back and forth. So once you do this 5 to 10 times and you actually blow the candle out, again, take a deep breath and open up your eyes. And you're going to be confused and literally shocked that you're not actually facing the wall, but you're actually facing a window. You can add or take away as much as you want to these techniques to help you manifest if you just can't visualize. Once you actually become comfortable meditating, you can consciously visualize and meditate the things that you do desire. If you can't visualize right away, so what? Just keep on practicing, you're gonna get it right. So Neville Goddard teaches us that meditation is controlled imagination and well-sustained attention. So what he's telling us is the more that you meditate, the more you can actually visualize and create the things that you do want. So once you control your mind, you actually control your outer world. Remember, where the mind goes, the feet soon will follow. So I want you guys to not take life so serious and then enjoy this process. Once you no longer worry about things, they will instantly manifest. Life is good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna upload videos every single Thursday. Stay tuned for my next video. Feeling is the secret, the law and its operation. Feeling is the secret, the law and its operation. If you like this video and it resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell icon, go out there and use your gifts and make life happen. Peace.